Nature breathes peacefully when the world moves in harmony with its rhythms. In moments of stillness, the earth seems alive yet calm. Trees sway gently. When human noise fades, nature reveals its true voice. Birds sing without fear, animals roam freely, and the land heals itself through natural cycles. This calm breathing is not just silence, it is a living process where every element supports the other. The soil nurtures plants, plants purify the air, and clean air sustains life. Nature's peaceful breath teaches patience and mindfulness. It reminds us that life does not need constant speed or pressure to be meaningful. Just as nature pauses and renews itself, humans too need moments of quiet to restore their minds and hearts. Protecting this peaceful breath is our responsibility. By respecting ecosystems, reducing harm, and living more simply, we allow nature to continue its gentle rhythm. When nature breathes peacefully, it offers healing, balance, and hope, not only for the planet, but for humanity itself.